6, 22. Not okay. Why? Because it does not satisfy the test for 3. So x equals to 6 not possible. X equals to 2 possible. So only number for x is 2. Right? Next is if 7251x93 is divisible by 11, then x equals to this x is a digit. Okay. Some number, single digit number. Okay. So divisibility for 11 is what? Odd places, sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be 0 or divisible by 11, means multiple of 11. Okay. So let's try 7 plus 5 plus x plus 3, right? Odd places minus 2 plus 1 plus 9, even places, right? Add them. X plus 15 minus 12, that is x plus 3. Now this x plus 3 should be divisible by 11, right? Because it's given that it is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. Therefore x plus 3 should be divisible by 11. Now what can be x then? Now let's see. Now if x equals to 0, then what? X plus 3 will be 3. Not okay. Now you can go on trying 1, 2, 3, 4. But simple logic is 8 plus 3 is 11. Right? So x equals to 8. That is a minimum number. Now you can say that x equals to 8, then it can go to 19 also. X equals to 19. But in that case, how can x be 19 over here? It needs to be a single digit, right? Therefore x equals to 8. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.